Hey, what's up, baby Dogecoin holder? Baby Dogecoin is completely on the trending and absolutely get a very good profits, my friend, and every time, every day, every month, my brother. So, baby Dogecoin full 5.04% profit, my brother, and absolutely in last 24 hours, and it's a very good, my brother, for all of you. To baby Dogecoin is in the trending and give you a profit, especially for short term investor, my brother. This coin I recommend you to please if you have any plan to invest for short time. So I think baby Dogecoin is very good option. So let's see, my brother. In this video I will predicate this coin to what's going on, and you need, my brothers, to watch this video completely because I also give you updates, so don't miss any second of this video and understand what I tell you. My brothers, in the market cap, as you can see here, 0.00% they will move upward, but the condition is very good now. Fully diluted market, 4.79% profit, volume 28.92%. Absolutely further to announce, so that's very good now, my brother. And you can see here this time the self report circulating supply 276 billion, my brother. It's a very good now. All right, so my brother, absolutely the coin is in the profit, so we need, my brothers, to invest for a short time. And definitely because, my brother, in very short time, in last 24 hours, just in only you see already, my friend, and the top of this, my friend, and the start of this video, they will give you a 5% profit in 24 hours. So that's very good, my brother. I know if they will just only give, my friend, in 1 month, my friend, just only, my friend, 20% profit. So this is very good, my brother. And this chart is completely show you, my brothers, to after a fails they will moving upward, and absolutely after a jump they will again fades down. So therefore, my brother, absolutely the condition is very good now, and this coin is completely, my friend, gonna be positive now in those days. So therefore I like it, and definitely, my friend, every month this coin will give me a profit, so I like it. I love Babydoge coin. All right, my brothers. So this coin is one of the stable and comfortable coins. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest for a long time, so I think this will be also very good now. So kindly invest for 1 month, for 1 year, for 5 year. That's a very brilliant coin, my brother. I know they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type of informative and urgent updates videos. Allah Hafiz. Take care.